Hello, my name is Faisal Ahmed and today we will discuss about the problems of the genetic code. The problem of genetic code refers to understand how genetic information is encoded within DNA and how that information direct the synthesis of protein which are essential for cellular function. Key aspects of this problem include: first, genetic code as a language. DNA sequences consist of 4 nucleotide bases: adenine A, thymine T, cytosine C, and guanine G, arranged in specific sequences. The challenges was to decipher how sequences of the bases read in triplet, which is called codon, translate into the 20 amino acids that form protein. Second is deciphering the code. Scientists discovered that each codon, a sequence of 3 nucleotides, correspond to a specific amino acid or a stop signal during protein synthesis. For instance, the codon AUG code for the amino acid methionine and serve as a start signals. With 64 possible codons and only 20 amino acids, the code has redundancy. Some amino acids are encoded by multiple codons. Third, universality and evolution of the code. The genetic code is nearly universal, meaning that nearly all organisms use the same codons for the same amino acids. The universality suggests the code's origins are ancient and were likely established early in the evolution of life, raising question about how and why this particular code evolved. Fourth, mutation and genetic disease. Mutation or changes in the DNA sequences can alter the codon in way that may lead to the wrong amino acid being incorporated into protein, potentially causing genetic disease. Understanding the genetic code is essential for identifying mutations that lead to these diseases and for developing treatments through gene therapy or precision medicine. The breakthrough understanding of the genetic code, largely achieved in the 1960s, has been fundamental to fields like genetics and molecular biology and bioinformatics, enabling advances in everything from genetic engineering to personalized medicine. Our next topic is protein biosynthesis. Protein biosynthesis, also known as protein synthesis, is the process by which cells produce proteins which are essential for various cellular functions and structure. This process consists of two main stages: transcription and translation. So, the first is transcription, DNA to mRNA. In transcription, the genetic information encoded in DNA is copied into messenger RNA, which is mRNA. This occurs in the cell's nucleus and involves several key steps. So the first step is initiation. DNA polymerase, an enzyme, binds to the promoter region of the DNA and unwinds the DNA double helix. The second step is elongation. RNA polymerase moves along the DNA template strands, synthesizing a complementary mRNA strand by matching RNA nucleotide adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine with their DNA counterparts. The third step is termination. When RNA polymerase reaches a terminator sequence on the DNA, transcription ends and the mRNA strand is released. The mRNA strands then undergoes processing where introns, non-coding region are removed, and a 5 cap and poly a tail are added to protect the mRNA and it leaves the nucleus enter the cytoplasm. The second process for synthesized protein is translation, where mRNA is synthesized into protein. Translation is the process by which the mRNA sequence is decoded into an amino acid sequence to form a protein. This occurs in the cytoplasm and involves the ribosomes, transfer RNA, and amino acid. Initiation. The ribosome binds to the mRNA at the start codon, signaling the beginning of translation. Elongation. tRNA molecule being amino acid to the ribosome, matching their anticodon to the codon on the mRNA. As each tRNA binds, its amino acid is added to the growing polypeptide chain. Termination. When the ribosome encounter a stop codon UAA, UAG or UGA translation codes, this polypeptide chain is released and undergoes folding to become a functional protein. Post translational modification. After translation, protein may undergo post translational modification such as phosphorylation, glycosylation or cleavage, which are crucial for the protein function stabilizing and localizing. Significance of protein biosynthesis. Protein biosynthesis is fundamental to all life form. Protein perform nearly every cellular function from structural support to catalyzing biochemical reaction as enzymes. Error in protein synthesis can lead to disease, emphasizing the importance of accurate and regular biosynthesis in cellular health. Thank you.